Hi guys! Humahaba na yung hair ko pero wala naman akong mapuntahan na hair salon dahil sarado lahat. So I decided to try trimming my own hair. Pero actually hindi lang siya trim. Gugupitin ko talaga siya ng maigse dahil summer na rin. And iti-trim ko na rin yung bangs kong humahaba. So let's get this started. Ang kailangan lang ay of course scissors, thinning scissors. Kung walang thinning scissors, pwede rin naman tong regular na scissors lang. Kailangan din natin ng hair clips or any ponytail or panali ng buhok. Plus, mag-ready na rin ng suklay. First, comb your hair and make sure na wala lahat ng tangles or buhol. Next, part your hair into 2 or 3 sections, depende kung gaano kakapal or kanipis yung hair ninyo, and then secure it with a hair clip or ponytail. For the next step, if you have hair straightener, plansyahin nyo muna yung first section ng buhok ninyo to make sure na straight yung buhok at pantay-pantay siya bago siya gupitin. Pero if wala naman kayong plansya, you may skip this part. Take a small section of your hair and decide kung ano yung length na gusto ninyo. Pero wag nyo munang gugupitin right away. Mag-allot ng 1 to 2 inches longer than sa desired length ninyo. Kasi bala kayo, baka magsisi kayo. You don't have to worry if at first hindi pantay yung buhok. Just make sure na unti-unti lang yung pagupit nyo kasi mas madali siyang i-adjust that way. Andito na tayo sa trickiest part ng pagugupit ng sariling buhok. Pwede kayong gumamit ng mirror para makita yung backside. Pwede rin kayong humingi na ng tulong kay mama, kay papa o sa kapatid ninyo. Or kagaya ng ginawa ko, nag-alatsamba na lang tapos bahala na. Ginusto ko to eh. Napantay nyo na yung sides, pati yung likod, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa second section ng buhok. Do the same, suklayin, at kung may plancha, planchahin. Take a section of the hair sa bandang harap and then secure it with a hair clip. And then yung unang layer, yung unang part na ginupit natin, ito yung gagamitin nating guideline para gupitin yung second section. So take a small section from the first section and then follow the length and cut. Just keep on cutting ng paunti-unti, following the guideline which is yung first section, and then do the same to the rest of the hair. After cutting your hair evenly, part your hair into sections again. Using thinning scissors, ninipisan natin yung dulo ng buhok para hindi siya mukhang walis. If wala kayong thinning scissors, don't worry because you can use regular scissors instead. You can do that by holding the scissors vertically and then gugupitin ninyo yung pagitan ng mga dulo ng buhok nyo at least 1 to 2 centimeters long.